Okay, so let's start with the question 13. Question 13, 14, and 15 are to be done in the book. We will discuss these questions. Okay. So let me just take out. Yeah.
Sir, question 13, 14, and 15 are to be done in book.
Yes, yes. Question. Nice. Where you are a talented boy. You can play guitar with from your mouth.
I have to learn for the
There is a
last
new,
class.
there is a new mouth organ. Ved has discovered it. This mouth organ is actually a guitar.
No, sir.
बेटा
No,
your
sir. I have not played guitar.
अच्छा मतलब it was a network issue. It was looking like you are playing a guitar with your mouth. So don't worry. Yeah, tell me again what
No,
you were saying.
sir. There is some
Yeah,
problem.
there is some network issue. Tell me again what you were saying. Wait.
Sir, I have said, sir, how much pages I have to
Sir, Ved is
left
playing
in
guitar
the
again and
copy
again.
because I cannot attend the last math class.
Sir, you were not able to attend the last class. You should have watched the video recording video. So you need to leave 2 or 3 pages, 3 pages of the register, I think. Leave 3 pages of the
Okay,
register.
sir.
Okay. And you can see the recorded
No,
video.
sir. In my register, there were 9 pages.
9 pages. We did the work in 9 pages
Yes, sir.
yesterday.
Yes, sir. Including activity.
Including activity. Oh my god. I'm not sure how many pages.
No, sir. One,
While how many
two,
pages?
three,
While
five,
Sir, my
six.
6 pages. 6 pages.
Sir, in my it is 6.
Sir, 6 pages.
6 pages. Okay, leave 6 pages.
My also
Mine
Okay,
7.
wait, beta, you can leave
Mine 7.
6 or 7 pages. You can leave. Wait. Okay. So now we will discuss question 13. Properties of triangle. Question 13. Yeah. So the question is, can a triangle have 2 right angles? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Give me a reason.
No, sir.
Give me a reason why.
Sir, because,
Sir, because
right angle
Sir,
is equals to
because 90 plus 90 equals to 180.
180
And
and
a triangle have 3
triangle should
angles.
not have 0.
180. Then a triangle has 6 angles.
Okay, got it. I will, what I have understood from this, that I should take a name and then ask you the question, because if all of you are speaking together, I am not able to understand anything. So, yeah. So, answer is no, because if 2 angles are right angles, that means the sum of only 2 angles will be 180. 90 plus 90 will give you 180. Therefore, the third angle will be 0. So it is not possible to have 0 as an angle in a triangle. It is not possible. So no is the answer. Second one, 2 obtuse angles. Okay, I will ask any one of you to give the answer for this. First of all, tell me the answer is no or yes. Reason I will ask.
no,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Answer is
No,
again
sir.
no. Give me someone.
No, sir.
I will ask. I will ask this.
Sir, it is obvious. Sir, it is too obvious. If a triangle cannot have right angles, then why it can have obtuse angles?
So, okay. Aditi will give the reason. Aditi, why not?
No, this is because a triangle can have only one obtuse angle.
And why not 2 obtuse angles? What is the problem in it?
So because obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees, so the angles will be more than 90 degree, then the sum will be more than 180 degree.
Yes, correct. Very good. So when two angles are obtuse, that means the sum of the two angles will be 180 degrees. The two angles, if both the angles are more than 90, that means the sum of these two angles will be 180. That means you will have the sum of all the three angles more than 180, which is not possible. The sum is always equal to 180. The sum of all the three angles is always 180. It can never be less than 180. It can never be more than 180. It will always be equal to 180. Doesn't matter which type of triangle it is, regardless of that.
So we have to write the reasons also.
Then later you just have to understand the reason. You just have to write the answer no or yes.
Okay, sir.
So third part, but you should know the reason. Third part. Okay, first tell me yes or no. Two acute angles.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, it is possible to have two acute.
Yes, sir.
Karthik Chauhan will give the reason.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat?
A
Sir.
triangle can have two acute angles. First of all, is it yes or no? Okay, I'm telling you it is yes. You
Yes,
have to tell me
sir.
why.
Yes, because sir, because if there can be two angles less than 90 degree, and sir, if they will be more, sir, then we can't form a triangle.
We can have two acute angles, yes, and one obtuse. You can get the sum equals to 180. For example, if one angle is suppose 50, the other angle is 60. So what is the अच्छा तो हमें तीन दो angles acute चाहिए एक obtuse चाहिए. So we can have one angle 30, the second angle 40. 30 and 40, what is the sum?
70.
70
70 is the sum.
degrees.
So therefore the third angle will be 110. Third angle कितना आ जाएगा? 110 आ जाएगा. So in this you can see that two angles are acute and one angle is obtuse. So it is possible to have a triangle which has two acute angles. Okay, so fourth one, all angles more than 60.
Can I tell?
No, sir.
Yes
Sir,
or no?
no,
sir.
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 All angles more than 60. Again, the answer is no. No.
No.
So first is no, second is no, third is yes, and fourth is again no. Okay, reason.
Sir.
First of all, I'm giving you all an opportunity to give the reason. Sorry, think of the reason, not give the reason. Think of the reason, and then I will ask. So till then, you all can open the chat box and give your attendance. Open the chat box and give your attendance.
The given.
Sir, given.
Sir, given.
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 So all angles more than 60 degrees, not possible.
No.
Okay, reason. Saksham Sahu will give the reason. Why not?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, its reason is that 60 into 30 is equals to 180. If all the angles will be more than 60 degree, the triangle will not be possible to form.
Okay, the sum, you mean to say that the sum of three angles which are more than 60, the sum will go over.
Yes. Yes, sir.
180
Yes,
के
sir.
ऊपर चला जाएगा. That means it is not
Yes, sir.
possible to have such a triangle. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So 60, you were saying 60 into 3 is equals to 180. Mishra ji is raising his hand. Mishra ji, I also raised my hand and I have given you a high five. Now you can put down your hand. So fifth part, it is all angles less than 60. Is it possible?
Sir, no.
No, sir.
All angles, all
No,
these
sir.
angles less than 60. Yeah, तीनों angles 60.
We can
Is
take
it possible? No. The answer is no. Reason will be given by.
Sir.
Kuber will give the reason.
So the reason is that, for example, if we take the numbers less than 60, we take 59, 59 and 59, then the sum would not be 180 degree. That's why, and it cannot form a triangle.
Okay. So any, yes, very good. Correct.
177.
So you all must understand is that if all the three angles are less than 60, that means the sum of all the three angles will be less than 180. If we add all the three angles, the sum will never reach to 180. It will always remain short of 180. 180 से नीचे रह जाएगा. So that is not possible. The sum is always 180. So we cannot have a triangle like this. Okay, the last one is all angles equal to
Sir,
60.
yes. Sir, please,
Yes,
can I
Yes,
talk?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Please.
who,
Yes, sir.
who, please, who's saying please?
Yes, sir.
Who was saying please?
Sir, me, wait.
Ved, acha, Ved wants to give the answer. Ved, beta, give. I hope you will not play the guitar.
Okay, sir.
Give the answer.
Sir, the sum is 180 because 60, all the triangle have three angles and 60 multiplied by 3 equals to 180 degrees.
So is it possible to have such a triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What type of
Sir,
triangle is this?
equilateral triangle.
This is a special type of triangle. The name of the
Equilateral
triangle.
triangle.
Yes.
Equilateral triangle.
Very good. The students have started enjoying geometry, I think. So this is a good thing that you are enjoying geometry a little bit. If this continues, you will really enjoy mathematics in your higher classes. This is a good signal. So, yeah, the answer is yes, because if all the three angles are 60, we will get the sum equal to 180, which is the utmost requirement of a triangle, that the sum should be 180. No other condition is there. केवल क्या condition है? The sum should be equal to 180. The sum of all the angles should be equal to 180. So yes, we will have the sum equal to 180 in this case if all the angles are 60. So this is possible. And what type of triangle is it? It is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle.
Equilateral.
Okay, 14th one, you just have to give the answer in yes or no. So no one is going to shout out the answer. Okay, I will ask any one of you to give the answer. The first one is, can an isosceles triangle be a right triangle? Can an isosceles triangle? Don't give the answer. Can an isosceles triangle be a array? Don't give the answer. Don't give the answer. Can an isosceles triangle be a right triangle? Okay, so who will give the answer?
Sir, I can.
I can वाला कौन सा?
Sir, Karthik.
कार्तिक तुम दे चुके हो. शांति से बैठे रहो.
Sir, मैं दे दूं?
नहीं. Yeah. Angel Anand will give the answer. Angel Anand, how are you?
Sir, very well, you?
I am also fine, beta. कट रही है तुम्हारी रात में. अब ये बताओ, can we have an isosceles triangle? Can we have an isosceles right triangle? Is it possible to have an isosceles right triangle?
Sir, isosceles right triangle will not be possible because if we create a right angle, it has to be straight, and if it's not straight, then the other side has to be the same as well, which is not possible. So an isosceles right triangle is not
Okay, so
according to.
Okay, listen, I am making a figure here to make it clear. So this is a right triangle. So this is a right angle. First of all, I made a right angle. Yani ki if I make a triangle now, it will be a right triangle. Okay. If I make the hypotenuse, it will become a right triangle. You all know what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. You all know this. Now this angle is 90. This is 5 centimeter. Let us take that this is 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeters. And now I make the hypotenuse. First of all, is it a right triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it an isosceles triangle?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
isosceles also?
Yes, sir.
So yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible to have an isosceles right triangle. It is possible. Got it? Two sides equal
sir.
and one angle equals to 90. Now, can any one of you tell me what is the measure of this angle and this angle? Can you give me the measurements?
45 degree.
45
Sir,
degrees.
45 degrees. Yes,
So
sir,
it is-
because
it is-
45 plus 45 equal to 90.
45 equals to 90 degree.
Sir,
So
A and C equal.
whenever it is an isosceles triangle, all of you, this is an important property we are going to study in this chapter only. आगे की एक्सरसाइज में हम इस प्रॉपर्टी को पढ़ने वाले हैं. मैं अभी बता देता हूँ. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal plus two angles are also equal. आपको पता है ये बात? In an isosceles triangle, two angles are also equal. कौन से वाले angles equal होते हैं?
Yes,
तो
sir.
the angles which are opposite to the equal sides. जैसे for example, AB and BC are the equal sides. In this case, AB and BC are the equal sides. AB के opposite side कौन सा है? Sorry, AB के opposite angle कौन सा है? Angle C. AB के opposite angle कौन सा दिख रहा है आपको? Angle C. And the angle which is opposite to BC, side BC के opposite वाला angle कौन सा है? Angle A. Am I right or not? BC के opposite angle कौन सा है? Angle A. So angles opposite to equal sides, दोनों equal sides के opposite वाले angles, यानी कि angle A and angle C, these are also equal. This is the property which you are going to study in this chapter. मैंने अभी से बता दी है. X and X, both the angles are X. So if both the angles are X, these two angles are X, and the third one is 90, we all know that the sum is always equals to 180. Sum of all the three angles is 180, so this gives you 2x.
780 minus 90.
That means x equals to 45. Clear? What is the value of these angles? It is 45 degrees each. So whenever it is
45
an
degrees.
isosceles right triangle, if it is an isosceles right triangle, the two equal angles are always 45 degrees. Okay. So it is possible. Yes, the answer is yes. Okay, next one. This was a little difficult one. No problem. Angel, now have you understood, Angel? Angel, Angel, how are you? Angel, are you listening? Angel, Angel, beta, have you understood?
Sir, Angel left, sir.
Angel left. Oh. Oh my God. Okay. एंजल को बेचारी को लगता होगा कि कभी कभी बेचारी क्लास ज्वाइन करती है, मैं उससे क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ. गलत बात है मेरी. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो the second one is, can a right triangle be a scalene triangle? Right triangle can be scalene? Yes, obviously.
Sir.
Right triangles.
Yes,
sir.
It is possible. to
Yes,
have-
sir.
Yes, sir.
So all the three sides unequal. One angle 90 degrees. This is a right triangle. That means it is a right triangle. So one side is 3, other is 4, and the third one is 5.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got disconnected. Can you
Okay,
explain
okay.
again?
Very nice to see you back. I was telling you that it is possible to have. देखो मैं जब तुम गई थी तो मैं तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें कर रहा था. You missed it. So yeah, it is possible to have an isosceles right triangle because we can
Okay.
have two sides equal and one angle 90 degrees. It is possible to have. Okay. So you will, when we are going to study the chapter completely, you will understand what I am trying to say. Easily you can understand it. Okay, and you can also try it at home. You with the help of compass and scale and your pencil, you try to make a triangle. Practical approach is always very good to understand the basics. You take a scale, make a side of 5 centimeter, then make an angle of 90 degrees and take the perpendicular. So this is your name. This is called as base, 5 centimeter. Draw a line like this 5 centimeter. Then take a, with the help of protractor, you can make an angle of 90 degrees. And then you make this side also equals to 5 centimeters. So then you join the two endpoints A and C. Suppose this is B. So you join AC, you will get a right triangle and which is having two sides equal. So what are you going to call this triangle? Can you call this triangle as isosceles right triangle? Yes, it is an isosceles right triangle. So it is possible. Got it, Angel?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it was a little difficult one. No problem if you have not given the right answer, but it is good that you have understood now. Next one, what was it? Yeah, right triangle में scaling possible है. Yes, it is possible to have all the three different sides in a right triangle. Correct. Alind is raising his hand. I am giving you a high five, Alind. Now you can put down your hand. Third one is, can a right triangle be an equilateral triangle? Alind is going to give the answer.
Sir,
Alind is going to give the answer.
No,
Can a
no,
right
sir.
triangle?
No, sir, because 90 degrees and 60 degrees are different.
No, sir.
Equilateral triangle means all the three angles equal to 60.
sides are
60.
All the three
equal.
equal to 60.
Yes,
So
sir,
sir,
it is
if
not
one
possible.
angle will be 90, then
Yeah.
it
So
will.
अगर तीनों एंगल
Sir,
60 के हो गए तो 90
all
वाला
sides
कौन
are-
तो 90 वाला कौन सा होगा? नहीं होगा तो फोर्थ एंगल लेकर के आएंगे क्या आसमान से लेकर आएंगे फोर्थ एंगल?
Sir, if 4 angles, then it will be 270.
Yeah, so it will be a quadrilateral. It will become a quadrilateral if there are 4 angles. So not possible. A triangle has only 3 angles. So तीनों अगर 60 के हैं, that means it is equilateral. You cannot call it as a right triangle. So not possible. No. The last one, Navya, are you ready to give the answer?
Sir,
Navya Goel, are you ready? The
yes,
answer of-
sir. An obtuse triangle can be an.
isosceles.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is your answer?
Yes, sir. It can be.
It can be. Can you give an example or give the reason? Or can you give the example?
Sir, from reason.
Achha, give any.
No,
think
sir,
of
I
it,
don't
give any
have that
example. No
reason.
problem if you're not able to give it because you have not studied this in detail. Okay, let me give you the example. No problem. I'm making a triangle. In this, one angle is 120. This is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. The triangle is ABC. In this triangle, this is obtuse angle. This is 120 degrees. Got it? So these two angles, angle B and angle C, will be 30 degrees each. 30 degrees. All the conditions
Yes.
satisfied. All the three conditions. All the conditions. First of all, this is an obtuse angle. So it is an obtuse angle triangle. First thing. Second thing, because it is isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. 30 degrees and 30 degrees. And is the sum of all the three angles equal to 180? Yes, the sum is also 180.
Yes, sir.
So all the
Yes, sir.
conditions are satisfied. They are completed. All the conditions are fully completed, satisfied. So we can say that the answer is yes. Okay, it is possible to have such a triangle. Okay, next one, 15th. Okay. The one who's going to give the answer is first. First of all, I want you all to read the question so that you don't get confused.
A right angle cannot have an dash angle.
Don't give the answer. Don't give the answer. Read it in your mind. A right triangle cannot have an dash angle. Right triangle में कौन सा एंगल नहीं हो सकता है? किस टाइप का एंगल नहीं हो सकता है? Okay, this you have to give.
Sir, can I tell?
Payal will
Sir,
give.
can I?
Payal.
Sir, obtuse.
Correct answer. A right triangle can never have an obtuse angle. Right triangle में obtuse angle नहीं हो सकता.
Angles of a right
One
triangle.
angle is 90, one angle is 90, the other two will be acute. Acute हो सकते हैं, बाकी के दोनों obtuse नहीं हो सकते. So answer is obtuse angle. A right triangle cannot have an obtuse angle. Well, in the blank. Second one, the acute angles of a right triangle are the acute angles of a right triangle are what?
Complementary.
Equal to the sum of 90 degrees.
Sir, complementary.
Their sum is 90, that means they are complementary. Very good. Who has given this answer? Correct answer, complementary. The two acute angles are complementary. Complementary क्यों बोलेंगे? क्योंकि बाकी के दो angles का sum भी 90 होगा. तो जब ऐसे angles जिनका sum 90 होता है, we call them as complementary angles. Okay. Third one. Each acute angle of an isosceles triangle, or isosceles right triangle, measures dash.
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
Yeah, just now we discussed it. मैंने अभी आपको just समझाया था example दे करके, and the same question is there in the book also. Fourth one, each angle of an equilateral triangle measures लो भैया
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
Very good. 60 degrees is the answer. Fifth one, the side opposite the right angle of a right triangle is called dash. Right angle के opposite वाली side को क्या बोलते हैं? अभी बोला था मैंने.
Hypotenuse.
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 Yes.
So right angle triangle में there is the right angle, and the side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. Next one, the last one, the sum of the lengths of the sides of a triangle is called its what?
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Perimeter of a triangle is formula.
180 degree.
All its sides.
Perimeter.
Sum of all three sides.
Yes.
Sum of all.
Sum of all sides is the perimeter of a triangle. What is the perimeter of a square?
Sum
of all four sides.
No, sir.
4 multiplied by side.
4
Multiplied by
4
side.
into side.
4 into side.
4 multiplied by side.
What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
4x.
2 multiplied by length plus
2
breadth.
into L plus B.
No, it is a rectangle. No, it is of rectangle.
Yeah.
It is a rectangle.
Perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B. Okay. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Perimeter
4
of a
into
triangle
sides.
is perimeter
Sir,
of a
4
triangle of all sides.
The
अगर
square
मैं-
perimeter.
What is perimeter of a quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral. 5 into
Side plus side plus sum of all side.
sum of
Perimeter
Sum
of a
of all
quadrilateral
sides.
is sum of all sides. What is perimeter of a pentagon?
Sum of 5 sides.
Sum of 5 sides.
sum of
Yes.
all
5
sides.
multiplied by side. 5
मैं
into
ये
sides
बोलना
also.
चाह रहा हूँ, मेरा कहने का मैंने ये पूछा, इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेटेजी है. वो स्ट्रेटेजी है, I want to explain this, that I want you all to understand this, that perimeter is nothing but it is always the sum of all the sides if it is a
Yes,
polygon.
sir.
So these are all types of polygons. Triangle is a type of polygon. Quadrilateral is a type of polygon. Square is a type of quadrilateral, therefore it is a type of polygon. Rectangle is also a polygon. Rectangle and squares are types of quadrilaterals. Okay. So in a rectangle also you can say that the perimeter is sum of all sides. Rectangle का perimeter भी वही होता है, sum of all sides. Square का perimeter भी sum of all sides.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
So,
ये फॉर्मूला तब यूज करते हैं अगर x दिया होता है कहीं पे.
So whatever,
Or if we have to find
we
something.
can use this formula anywhere. No problem in using this formula. Sum of all sides is always the perimeter of a given polygon. Okay. Doesn't matter which type of polygon it is, whether it is a triangle, it is a quadrilateral, or it is a pentagon, heptagon, octagon, whatever it is, doesn't matter. It is always sum of all sides. So this is something about perimeter. Now we are going to study the next property, which is exterior angle property. Write down the heading, exterior angle property of a triangle. Please note down the heading of it. Exterior angle property of a triangle.
Sir, we have to write this in our copy.
Yes. in the best. Keep your mics off, all of you. Exterior angle property. अभी मैंने ये वो बोला था ना कि कुछ नहीं. So exterior angle property of a triangle. First of all, before understanding what exterior angle property is, let us first understand what is exterior angle. Exterior angle क्या होता है? So this is a triangle. Triangle ABC. पहली बात तो ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि exterior angle क्या होता है, which is a very important thing. Most of the time, the teachers do not focus on this. What is an exterior angle? They straight away start with what is exterior angle property. First of all, the students must know what is the meaning of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay.
Sir, I studied this in my previous class, but I totally forgot.
Okay, no problem. So yeah, anyone wants to try? What is an exterior angle? This is a triangle ABC. Can you tell me which angle?
Sir, angles which are outside of the triangle.
Out of the triangle.
Starting
Yes.
very nicely that an angle which is outside the triangle is known as exterior angle. So this is the exterior
Yes,
angle of
sir,
the triangle.
this-
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is a big no. This is not an exterior angle.
Okay, sir.
This is wrong. I really like to confuse the students. It is my hobby to
Okay, sir.
मुझे
Sir,
बहुत-
I think your video has stopped.
No, it is working.
No, sir, it's working.
Yes, sir,
Are
it's
you able to
working.
see my hand?
Okay, yes, sir. Now I
Yeah.
can see a big cross.
So it is no. The answer is no. This is not an exterior angle. What is an exterior angle? Please, all of you, listen very carefully, and then you decide what is an exterior. Then you will be able to do the question. Okay. Let me first decrease the brightness. Yeah. Now this is a triangle. Now what is an exterior angle? Listen. An exterior angle is formed. Listen the definition. An exterior angle is formed when one of the sides, there are three sides of a triangle, when any one of the sides of the triangle is produced, and then the angle formed by the side produced and the other side of the triangle is known as the exterior angle. हिंदी में बताऊं?
No, sir. Understood.
If we produce any one side of the
Yes, sir.
triangle, suppose I am producing this side of the triangle. The name of the triangle is ABC. I am producing the side BC. I have produced side BC, supposed to point D. I have produced this side to point D. Now, the angle formed between the side which is produced
ACD.
and the other side of the triangle. This angle is known as exterior angle. Is it clear to all of you?
Sir, some weird noises coming.
Yes, sir.
Keep your mics off, all of you. Just switch on your mics to tell me whether you have understood or not, and then keep it off. Clear? What is an exterior angle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So how many exterior angles I can make here? This side of the
One.
from the vertex C.
Sir, 2.
There is only one exterior angle possible, or I can make two exterior angles on one
Sir,
vertex.
two
Sir,
exterior
I
angles.
think so.
The answer is actually
Upside down.
yes, but no. The answer is yes, but no. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है बच्चों को. So if I produce the side AC को अगर मैं produce कर दूंगा, Suppose this is point C, vertex C of the triangle, C vertex. If I produce C to point E, then this angle is an exterior angle. This is also an exterior angle.
Yes, sir.
Got it? This is also an exterior angle. So answer is yes, but still the answer is no. Why no?
Why?
Answer is yes, but still the answer is no. Answer is no because these two
We
angles
can produce on C also.
no, because the two angles formed here are equal. These are vertically opposite angles. Am I right or not? These two angles are vertically opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Vertical
Sir.
opposite angles are equal.
दोनों
Sir, I am
दोनों
not
angles-
able to understand.
दोनों
Sir,
एंगल
how?
इक्वल हैं बेटा, ध्यान से सुनो, मैं बताने जा रहा हूं। दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं, इसलिए हम इसको एक ही एंगल काउंट करेंगे, दो काउंट नहीं करेंगे। सिंपल सी बात। नाउ
Okay, sir.
अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very clearly.
Yeah, so more